This is Adobe Animate, a software which is a part of Adobe Creative Cloud, and you need to pay for it. Adobe Animate is used to compute vector graphic and animation video for television series, online animation, interactive website, and all sorts of commercial and game development. Perhaps you may have seen this kind of animation. Well, for today, I will teach you the basic for this kind of animation simply by using framing and skinning. So, the first skill that I want to teach you today is staging. Well, when you first boot up Adobe Animate, you will see this kind of layout. Well, in this layout, you need to choose Create New. Well, when you create new Canva, you need to choose the resolution and then you need to choose the frame rate. It depends. The higher your frame rate is, the more that you need to animate per second. Well, after you choose your resolution and frame rate, you then press create. So, for the second skill, you need to learn how to use framing and skinning. Well, you need to press B to equip your brush. For now, let us draw a circle. Now, to add a new keyframe to our timeline here, we need to press F7. But now you can see your previous frame. Well, then you need to use the onion skin right here. Now you can see your previous keyframe and then you can animate the new one. So after you finish framing, now you can see the result when you press play right here. After you finish your drawing and framing, then you need to go to the file, export, and choose export video. And then you need to choose your destination at the output section, and then you press export. Well, for today's lesson, we have learned 3 skills, which is the first one, staging, the second one, framing, and the third one, export. Well, even though we have learned all these skills, what are we going to do with Adobe Animate? Well, if you ask me, I use it for my presentation video, perhaps an IT assignment video. Well, other than that, you can also use it to create your own vlog or some kind of animation that you want to publish on YouTube or TikTok, because you can display your imagination and creativity using this platform. Wan, Nabi Wan. Nabi. Okay.